Momentum is a crucial element in your experience using online dating, and that's for many reasons. When you first start using dating apps, things can be slow, things can be new. The women you're meeting may not be right for you, or the connections may be disappearing. Women may be unmatching you. But as long as you stand your ground, you stick to it, time goes by, things will grow exponentially. Do not feel like you have to find a girlfriend the first day you use a dating app, the second day, the first week. Keep it on your phone. Keep messaging, stick to it. Build your confidence over time when interactions are going well or you're matching with the women you want. Over time, you will meet your girlfriend. You will meet women that you enjoy, that you like. You may go on 3 dates from a dating app. You may get ghosted from the first 5 girls, but just keep at it. The 7th girl, the 8th girl, whichever, it will work out. It will work out, guys. There's times I've used, for example, an app where I thought it was slow. I thought the women there just wasn't for me. And then a month later, the 10th phone number, I find my girlfriend, guys. It's like, where have you been my whole time on this app? Where have you been? And everything just flows great. Everything is amazing, guys. So emotional resilience is very important. You're gonna face a lot of toxic women. You're gonna face a lot of just women who don't know how to talk correctly, who give you a hard time, right? The app may shadow ban you or do something weird, but just stick to it. Over time, you're gonna pick up and learn little details. You're going to learn from your experience and learn better screening abilities to help your experience online, guys. And sooner or later, with enough momentum and confidence you build, you will end up meeting the woman for you guys. So I'm gonna wrap this video up with that last point and bonus element. Thanks for watching. And if you find this video helpful, hit the share button and share this to your best friends and anyone who may find this helpful, guys. My name is KT from topleveldating.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the subscribe button if you wanna find out more about tier 2 dating apps and sites where you can use and leverage to meet new women, guys. Peace.